Recruitment and its importance. Dear students, first of all, we need to know that what is recruitment. Recruitment is the process of seeking and attracting a pool of qualified applicants from which candidates for job vacancies can be selected. If you look at the definition, there are two parts. In the first part, we have to seek and attract a pool of qualified applicants. Why we need to attract and seek a pool of qualified applicants? Because we want to select the job vacancies out of these particular number of candidates. If we will have a pool of candidates, it would be easy for us to select the best qualified candidate out of that particular pool. Now we need to know about the importance of recruitment, that why recruitment is important. It's hard to emphasize the importance of recruitment. If only 2 applicants apply for 2 openings, you may have little choice but to hire them. Just assume that you have 2 job positions in your organization and you are creating a very little pool of only 2 applicants. If 2 applicants would appear for the 2 positions, you would have no choice. You have to hire both of them. So it is not a good idea to have a very little pool of qualified applicants. However, if you have 10 to 20 applicants appear, you as a recruiter can use techniques like interview and test to screen out the best qualified candidates. So recruitment is a process which is before selection process, and in the selection process there are interviews and a test. So it is better to have a bigger pool of qualified applicants, so out of that pool you can select the best one by passing through the process of interviews and employment testing. So this is the right way to create a biggest pool through which the best qualified candidates can be selected for your particular organization. It is not easy to find good qualified candidates for your organization because it is an era of competition. And because of competition, every organization is striving hard to get the best qualified candidates for themselves. Therefore, there are a number of surveys that showed it is difficult to recruit good people. I said good people. It is easy to recruit people, but it is very, very difficult to recruit good, best qualified candidates. There is a survey here. A survey showed during 2003 and 4 that about half of the respondents said they had difficulty in finding qualified applicants. It means it is not easy to find the best qualified candidates for your organization, and the survey showed that half of the respondents showed that they have difficulties, while about 40% said it was hard to find good candidates. The figures of the survey showed that it is very, very difficult to find people. Therefore, we need to put maximum efforts in recruiting people. And through recruiting people, we need to create a biggest pool of candidates out of which we can select the best qualified candidates. Therefore, organizations need to draw the process that what process need to be here out of which we can select the best qualified candidates.